Welcome back to the farm, Vlogmas day number 15. They've got all our clay here. Mr. Jason is packing it in for us real good. He's fixing to start spreading gravel, and Lord willing, we're gonna have us a pad. Let's see how the day turns out though. Don't it look official out here with the transom and all the stakes and everything everywhere? I'm so excited about this, man. I was really worried that it was gonna go left on us because of the trucks not getting here and all this stuff. In between the gravel getting here, me and this lady are hanging a gate. And I've got the bottom one on this side done, the top one here, and then I'll show you how we did the other one over there. If you look at this, let's drill me a hole. I'll use my wrench or my hand on this side right here. Eddie! Now, if Meaghan will not let it blow off, we'll see if it's level. Is it level, Meaghan?
Yeah.
I mean, that kind of level. I mean, pyramid level. Look at there. First try, baby. First try. So who's the champion?
Who's the champion?
Get out of here! I'm the champion. So 1, 2, 3, we need one more load. Look at her face. Look at her there. See it? Well, hot dog, hot diggity dog. All right, so We got everything basically like we want it on here, except for one thing. We're going to have to mess with this because it doesn't line up correctly if you look at it. So I'm going to show you what to do when that happens. Get your wrench, which is in my back pocket. And what we're going to do is we're just going to take this whole thing off. Like so. Look, put that in your mouth so you don't lose it. Now take it out, put it on here. Sit it right there so you can knock it off and lose it. All right, now our beautiful help is gonna lift that into the gate. And we're gonna take this. You're gonna hold that good for us, right? All right, see this? We just knock that off. And when you do that, it'll bend this side right there. Look at that. We're gonna take it, put it on here, back where it was. See, I'm holding it on. We're picking this up. My beautiful help is not letting go of that end, is she? Okay. All right, hold on. All right, beautiful help. Unchain that side down there. All right. Hold it like that. Now see this right here? You've got two choices. You can move it down a rung right here. Pick it up. Whoa, let it down. Or you can do what we just did. We put it on the same rung right there, but we moved it up. Now, our beautiful help is not gonna let go of nothing. We're gonna take our screw, or bolt and nut rather, put it back through here, and just put it back on. Now, you might have to get you some pliers and tighten this back up, or if it didn't bend too bad, you can just put that nut back on right here. I need the camera ran. So now we get that back on, and we're just gonna tighten it up. Thanks to my beautiful help. Smile for him. Thanks to my beautiful help, we got our gate up right here. Gates. Thank you. Ain't she pretty? We're now measuring for the next stretch of fence out here. And I've told Meaghan that she needs to come here, and I'm gonna get her to walk all the way here. And when she gets here, I'm just gonna give her a kiss. Let's see if she gets mad. That's all I wanted.
Okay.
You didn't even get mad and you love me that much?
No, like I don't feel good. My eyes are watering. My allergies are getting all messed up. I'm just gonna go in.
It looks like we did a lot less today than we actually did on camera, but that's okay. We're allowed to have slow days. So we're done. We're gonna go inside and do some supper and get ready to go to our Wednesday night study class. We're gonna finish up the book of Acts. God bless y'all. Happy Vlogmas. Merry Christmas.